know what the various dashboard indicators and instrument cluster symbols mean in your 2023 Audi A8? Our detailed guide breaks down each alert and display, ensuring you're fully informed and prepared for any driving scenario.
Instrument cluster, cluster indicators,
Central indicator light, cooling system, safety belt, transmission, electrical system, electromechanical parking brake, steering lock, brake intervention request, traffic jam assist, steering intervention request, distance warning, lane departure warning, pre-sense, hood, engine oil pressure, electrical system, battery and remote control key, engine speed limitation, bulb failure indicator, central locking, adaptive light, headlight range control system, light rain sensor, windshield wipers, safety systems, engine start system, convenience key, hill hold assist, OLED tail lights, electromechanical parking brake, all-wheel drive, engine oil level max, electronic stabilization control, anti-lock braking system, adaptive cruise control, side assist, exit warning, emergency call function, parking aids, rear cross traffic assist, park assist, predictive control, tank system, malfunction indicator, lamp, engine oil level, engine oil sensor, engine warm-up request, electrical system, washer fluid level, tire pressure, low beam headlights, parking lights, turn signals, start-stop system, cruise control system, efficiency assist, high beam headlights, brake system, child safety lock, convenience key, high beam assistant, speed warning system, camera-based traffic sign recognition, park assist, adaptive cruise assist, valet parking activated, emergency assist, loose wheel warning, night vision assist, intersection assist, door lock, maneuver assist, night vision assist, rear safety belt.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. cluster awareness? Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.